So, good morning. I am Lakshmi Patay AMG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing session number 57. The topic is Departmental Accounting. Under this session, I am working the problems, that is preparation of departmental trading and profit and loss account, and also balance sheet by using the cost price method. So I am taking the problem number 1. A firm has two departments, A and B. During the trading period ending 31/3/2019, the required figure as follows. So particulars, there are two departments, A department and B department, and total column. So opening stock 5,000 for department A, 7,000 for department B, total 12,000. Purchases, A department is equal to 42,000, B department is equal to 52,000, and total 94,000. Sales 80,000 for A, 93,000 for B, 1,73,000 for total. Purchase returns 2,000 for A, 2,000 for B, even total 4,000. Sales returns also 2,000 for each department, total 4,000. Wages 5,000, 6,000, total 11,000. So carriage inwards 4,500, discount received 1,800, carriage outwards 1,300. Next, salaries, department A 10,000, department B 13,000, total is 23,000. General salaries 13,000, total is given. Rent, rates and taxes is also given in total 5,000. Discount allowed 1,300 given in total. Sundry expenses also given in total column 2,600. Closing stock for A department 6,000 and B department 8,000, total 14,000. The question is, prepare trading and profit and loss account in tabular form, assuming that rent, rates and tax are pertaining to business premises which are occupied by the two departments equally, and depreciation at 10% is to be charged on machinery costing rupees 60,000 is issued by the two departments in 2:1 ratio. Apportion general salaries and sundry expenses on the basis of sales. So based on this information, we prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31/3/2019. So in debit side, particulars, department A, department B, and total column, there are 4 columns. In credit side also there are 4 columns. Department wise we are preparing. First, we debiting the opening stock. Department A 5,000, department B 7,000, and total opening stock 12,000. And again debit the purchases less returns. A department 40,000, B department 50,000, and total 90,000. And again In this problem, carriage inverts are given. It is to be divided in the ratio of 4 is to 5, that is 2000, 2500 and 4500. The amount is 4500, that is to be distributed by allocation of these expenses on the basis of sales. So 2000 is 2000, 2500. So wages for each department is given 5000, 6000, total 11,000. And come to the credit side, credit the sales less returns 78,000, 91,000, 1,69,000, and crediting the closing stock 6,000, 8,000, 14,000 is the total. So the credit side, department A's total is 84,000, department B's total is 99,000, department A and B total is 1,83,000. So the debit side difference is called 32,000 gross profit for A department, 33,500 for B department gross profit, and total gross profit of A and B department is 65,500. And the gross profit to be brought down to the profit and loss account by gross profit brought down A department 32,000, B department 33,500 and total 65,500. So by discount received also, one type of discount received also allocated on the basis of 4 is to 5, that is 4 is to 4 divided by 9 for A department and 5 divided by 9 for B department. So A's department share is equal to 800 and B's department share is equal to 1000, total 1800. And debit side to salary, debit the salary given in the problem 10,000 A department, 13,000 for B department, total 23,000 for both A and B department total. Here rent rates and taxes are distributed on the basis of 1 is to 1, that is to equal ratio 2,500 and 2,500 for both departments total 5,000. And debit the general salaries in the ratio of 6 is to 7, so 6,000, 7,000, total 13,000 are given in the problem. Next, debit the sundry expenses in the ratio of 6 is to 7, that is 1,200, 1,400 is equal to 2,600, and carriage outwards also distributed on the basis of 6 is to 7, 600, 700, 1,300, and discount allowed also distributed on 6 is to 7, that is 600, 700, 1,300. So depreciation on machinery also 60,000 into 10%, that is 6,000 to be distributed on 2 is to 1 ratio, that is 4,000, 2,000, 6,000 is the total. And credit side of A department is 32,800 and B department 34,500 and total A and B 67,300. The debit side difference in A department 7,900 is the net profit, and B department 7,200 is the net profit of B department, and the total net profit of A and B department is 15,100. So calculation of net purchase ratio in department A, department B, purchases is equal to 42,000 minus 2,000, 40,000 In department B, 52,000 minus 2,000, 50,000. So net purchases is equal to 40,000 is to 50,000. Therefore net purchase ratio is equal to 4 is to 5. And calculation of net sales ratio is equal to Department A, Department B. Sales for Department A 80,000, Department B 93,000, less returns 2,000, 2,000. So net sales is equal to 78,000, 91,000. So net sales ratio is equal to 78,000 is to 91,000. Our net sales ratio is equal to 6 is to 7. So in this type of way we are allocating the joint expenses by using suitable basis. And problem number 2 I am taking from the following particulars. Prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account and for the year ended 31/3/2019. So stock on 1/4/2018. So department X is equal to 25,000, department Y is equal to 35,000. Purchases during the year, department X 3 lakh, department Y 2,50,000. Sales, department X 4 lakh, department Y 3,75,000. Next, wages and carriage 77,500, rent, rates and insurance 1,55,000, office salary 38,750, printing and stationery 15,500, stock on 31/3/2019, department X 50,000, department Y 40,000. So apportion the expenses in proportion to the turnover of each department. So based on the information given in the problem, so we have to prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31/3/2019. In debit side, 4 columns, that is particulars, department X, department Y, department total of X and Y. Suppose if the 3 departments, you make another column for debit side. In credit side also 4 columns, that is department particulars, department X, department Y and total. So first we debit the opening stock of concerned department X 25,000, 35,000, so 60,000. Total these 2 departments. Debit the purchases, if any returns to be deducted, 3 lakh, 2,50,000 and total 5,50,000. And debit the wages and carriage, it is to be distributed by in the ratio of 16:15. 16:15, that is 40,000 for X department and 37,500 for Y department, total 77,500. And credit the sales concerned department wise, X department 4 lakh and Y department 3,75,000, total 7,75,000. And credit the closing stock, X department for 50,000 and Y department 40,000, total 90,000. So there is a credit side total 4,50,000, 4,15,000 for Y department and total 8,65,000. The debit side difference for department X is equal to 85,000 and 92,500 is treated as balancing figure. That amount we call it a gross profit. That gross profit to be brought down to the profit and loss account on credit side. Therefore by gross profit brought down on credit side 85,000, 92,500, the total 1,77,500. So and again come to the P&L account debit side. To rent, rates and insurance are distributed on the basis of 16:15. 16:15, that is 80,000 for X department, 75,000 for B department and 1,55,000 for total. And office salary is also distributed on the basis of 16:15, that is 20,000, 18,750 for X department, 20,000, Y department 18,750, total 38,750. and to printing and stationery, that is 16 is to 15 basis we are apportioned, that is 8,000 and 7,500 for B department, total 15,500. Here in this problem, debit side are more than credit side. The debit side X department total is 1,08,000 and the difference on credit side is 23,000 for X department is stated as net loss, and debit side total of Y department is also high. Total is 1,01,250, but the credit side Y department total is the shortage of 8,750. The shortage 8,750 is treated as net loss carried on. So, and the total net loss of two departments X and Y is equal to 31,750. Working notes: calculation of net sales ratio or turnover ratio. So department X and Y, department X is equal to X sales is equal to 4 lakh and department Y sales is equal to 3,75,000. Therefore net sales ratio or turnover ratio is equal to 4 lakh is to 3,75,000 or 400 is to 375, or simplified in 16 is to 15. So try yourself. From the following particulars, prepare departmental trading account for the year ended 31/3/2021. Stock on 1/4/2020. Department A 50,000. Department B 70,000. Purchases during the year: Department A 6 lakh. Department B 5 lakh. Sales: Department A 8 lakh, Department B 7,50,000. So wages 3,10,000 is given. Carriage inwards 1,55,000. Power 77,500. Stock on 31/3/2021. Department A 1 lakh, Department B 80,000. So apportion the expenses in proportion to the turnover of each department. These are the references given for your kind information. So you are referring these textbooks. So in this session we are working the problem for departmental accounting, that is preparation of trading and profit and loss account, and also balance sheet by using cost price methods. So thank you very much.